Hi everyone, my name is Baptiste from La France and I am really glad to welcome you on my YouTube channel Autostop Adventure. If you have any curiosity about hitchhiking, you are definitely in the best place. And today, we are going to see the few basics you should know before exploring more of my content. Come on, it's this way. As you'll quickly see on this channel, hitchhiking led me to live a lot of experiences. I got to explore more than 20 countries thanks to more than 1,000 drivers who were farmers, chefs, truck drivers, entrepreneurs, volunteers on war zones. I definitely feel like the trips I did those last years were like an initiatory journey that led me from childhood to adulthood. What's my intention with this project? Well, I simply want to make hitchhiking as accessible as possible to anyone who feels attracted to this way of traveling, but still haven't dared to try. Here, we will break all the stereotypes about hitchhiking. I noticed during my trips that many people would like to try it, but for some reason they are terrified about meeting a serial killer. And okay, among the 1,000 people who helped me, I once got picked up by a granny who had a chainsaw on her back seat. But she didn't try to kill me and actually did a detour for me. Of course, I will do videos about security, but I can assure you that hitchhiking is pretty safe. Oh, and if you are scared that no one stops for you and to wait for hours, we'll have a very practical approach. I took a lot of notes during my trips. Observations, numbers, or more random informations. For those who are simply stressed about reaching their destination on time, well, you'll find some very useful data to anticipate how long your trip will last. And we'll see different techniques. You obviously know the passive one with the thumb, but we are going to see more active methods where you go directly talk with the people that are way more efficient. And in addition to that, I'll talk about other topics that will help you a lot as a hitchhiker. Equipment, health, communication. So, what kind of videos will you see here? Technical tutorials about how to get a car and what to do inside. Then, specific advice for the countries I explored. So you'll have videos like how to hitchhike in Spain, how to hitchhike in Morocco, or how to get out of Paris. It's a real nightmare. You'll also have thematical videos where we'll talk about how to stay safe, how to take care of your body, or how to manage your energy on a long hitchhiking trip. Then you'll see interviews from other hitchhikers, so you can have their vision of the road. And of course, you will have a lot of feedback from my experience. I'll do some vlogs and videos about some personal experiences, because hitchhiking led me to very unexpected moments. Have a look at my videos about volunteering on the Ukrainian border if you want to have an idea. I'm really glad to share all of this with you because hitchhiking was life-changing for me and I can't wait to hear how it will impact your life. If you feel ready for your next adventure, be sure to subscribe, to like this video, to share it with your future travel buddies and to watch the tutorials. I think that the most interesting will be the technical ones to get started. And then just go live your adventure. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the road.